Welcome to part 5 of the .NET MAUI series by ASP NET SQL Academy. In this lesson, we will implement master detail navigation, a key pattern for modern mobile and desktop apps. Master detail lets you show a list and allow users to select an item to see its full details. It improves UX by organizing content clearly. We will build a product listing UI using collection view and navigate to a detailed page for each selected product. Start by creating a new page named detailpage.xml. This will show the selected product's full information. Using the goToAsync method with root parameters, we can pass a selected item directly to another page. Don't forget to register the root for your detail page inside appshell.xml.cs so that shell can navigate to it. Use query property to receive passed parameters. In this case, we are receiving the whole product object. Bind the selected product to UI elements using standard XML bindings. This gives users a detailed view of the selected item. Each item now has a View Details button, which uses command parameter to pass the product to the command for navigation. You can also navigate when an item is tapped instead of using a button if that suits your design better. MAUI apps are cross-platform. You can use layout tricks to show master details side by side on tablets and desktops. Master detail is an essential pattern. It improves your app's structure and gives users a clear way to explore content. Next, we will store and manage data locally using SQLite and perform full CRUD operations within your MAUI app. Thanks for watching this part of the series. Like and subscribe to follow along as we build more powerful .NET MAUI apps step by step.